been a driving force in my life. So firstly, before anything else, and this is something that I've always kind of wanted to do, I do that personally, but I want to do this publicly also. Huge thanks to Tips for making this happen for all of us. I think the fact that Rameshji did this 21 years ago with Shahid, Sir, Amrita, Vishal, with Shehnaz, everyone. And I think to be able to have that kind of faith and bring new talent after all of these years again speaks volumes about the kind of producer he is. Him, Jaya ma'am, Varsha ma'am, the entire family at Tips. So firstly, thank you so much for that. Secondly, I am just so happy that I can finally share this with you guys, because it has been 2 years since we've, the journey of this film started, and now we're finally here. This song I have grown up listening to. It is bizarre in my head. It's surreal, the fact that I get to kind of dance on it today with all of these amazing people. And I just really hope that whatever we've done, you all like. And once again, I'm very excited and very grateful to all of you guys for being here. Thank you.
Lovely. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Requesting all you amazing people to kindly be seated.
Yes.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास बड़े सारे surprises हैं. Nations की पश्मीना रोशन का debut है. So उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ.
Okay. Firstly, hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. It means so much to all of us. Gosh, I'm quite nervous. But to answer your question,
Yes.
I feel like I am so grateful for this opportunity, and I am so. It's an iconic song. We're getting to recreate it. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I have gotten it. I feel like I only think about how grateful I am, and I only think about how I can give my 100% to something like this and do full justice to it. And I hope we've done full justice. I hope everyone liked the song. That's where I thought from.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. We just loved what we saw on that big screen. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
doing it so beautifully. Jibran, this one's for you. हर कोई पहले से ही जिब्रा फैन बना हुआ था आपका. I mean जिब्रा फैन. और अभी thank you so much. इसने तो एक जोक acknowledge किया. भगवान भला करे तुम्हारा. From that cute little boy in K3G to this handsome dude here. ये पूरी journey इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बता दो जल्दी से.
Firstly, it's been a very long journey. I think तकरीबन 20 साल हो गए हैं. आपने पिछली बार जब मुझे स्क्रीन पे देखा तब मैं बहुत छोटा था, और आई होप आज आपको मैं अच्छा लगा कि नहीं. कैसे लगे हम सब? So yes, it's been amazing, yaar, and I would also say life has come full circle for me, because I have actually danced to this song as a kid, and just recreating this with Vijay sir, Sonu sir, and Ramesh ji just giving us this song. I think it's a blessing in disguise, guys. We couldn't get a better song to start with, and I really hope you all like it, because we've put in a lot of love and effort. And just, thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Naila, this one's for you. Quickly, if you have to talk to us about the entire thing, the entire journey of Ishq Vishk Rebound. Because थोड़ा मसाला दो, कौन कैसा थोड़ा tantrums देता था, थोड़ा कुछ क्या करते थे, थोड़ा.
One second, why is she looking at me like that?
We got the answer.
Or not. Well, it's been an actual blast.
No.
No, I'll get to the juicy part
Okay.
soon. So, when we started off, we were doing extensive workshops. So I got to know them on a very personal and vulnerable point, right? Because you kind of open up while जब आप workshop करते हैं तो खुल जाते हो एक दूसरे के साथ, quite literally. So I feel like when we got on set.
Look at them also. They were also on set.
आपने बड़ा ही juicy question पूछ लिया है.
अब रोहित का क्या है ना, वो उनका एक ऑन ऑफ स्विच होता है, तो पता होना पड़ता है कि when is he in the right frame of mind and mood to talk and chill, or he is but I've forgiven you for that. Now during promotions I've forgiven you. Pash is an absolute sweetheart, because the guys used to gang up on us, so of course we as the girls, we have to mil jul ke rehna padta hai.
Right.
And
girls.
yes, and Gibran, the
बोलना.
ये एकदम नौटंकी, which is great fun, because you need someone to be the life of the party when somebody is off.
Oh my god! She's suddenly making me sound like I was one party pooper and I used to be this moody little bee. But I wasn't. No, stop it.
Okay, I'll end on the note of saying that they were all lovely.
सब कुछ करके रजाई में लपेट दिया, बात खत्म हो गई. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for this amazing team, ladies and gentlemen. What was it like?
यार आई थिंक वो जो फिल्म वाली जो बात कर रहे हो ना तुम, कि हिंदी फिल्म का गाना है, उसमें लाइक व्हेन वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग म्यूजिक, उसमें एक थॉट जाता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन दिस सॉन्ग, एंड मैं तुमको सच बता रहा हूँ, जब मैंने वीडियो देखा आई हैड टू ऐड द बेस टू द सॉन्ग, यू नो. मेरे को बहुत सारी बीट्स और ऐड करनी पड़ी. मैं कहा यार ये तो यू नो गाने से ऊपर ये लोग आउट परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. सो यू नो आई हैव टू मेक माय सॉन्ग यू नो मैच देयर एनर्जी. So it's actually the whole team, you know, the choreographer, the amazing cast, and इन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है hook step पे, you know, इसके so and yeah, so it's actually a you know team effort, and Sonu sir की energy is amazing. Aditya Dev has produced so well. Gurpreet has written it, मैंने बहुत मदद की उनकी. Just kidding.
That's so rochak. Yeah, Nikita is here, of course. Melody in the house.
और मेलो तो हमने एज अ सरप्राइज रखे हुए थे कि वो आने वाले हैं, तो तुमने अभी बुलाना है, करते हैं
लाइव करते हैं, थोड़ा गाना करते हैं, उससे पहले कुछ सवाल ले लेते हैं अगर आप बोलो, है ना, हो जाए तो. यस, इट्स ओवर टू यू. जो भी आपके मन में सवाल हैं, यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चंस. कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं?
I will start. Hello, here, this side. Hi, this is Aruna from Bollywood Society. My question is for Rohit, you.
Hi,
You have
Aruna.
been paired up with Pashmina in the film, and people are eagerly waiting to see you guys on the screen. So tell us something about your off-screen and on-screen chemistry with Pashmina.
I love that you have already decided I'm paired up against with Pashmina. You don't know that yet, ma'am. There's a lot of things happening in this film which you may or may not get from the teaser. But what I can tell you about on-screen and off-screen equation with Pashmina is that she's crazy. Okay, I've had the most amount of fun shooting with her. It's a little shocking when I think you know about it and I look back. We've had fights like we're siblings. It is, and I know that my producers right now are gonna want to kill me because you know when you're promoting a romantic film, that's the last thing you should be saying. But in all honesty, I've had a blast shooting with her. She's so endearing, and I say this off camera and on camera. I cannot wait for people to see what she's done because she's so endearing on screen. She's gonna make you fall in love in a second. You think about Pashmina and you're converted. So like that was me for her, and I'm just so happy to be doing this with her. It was great fun.
Thank you. Jibran, my next question is for you. You are a very good dancer, and obviously, tell us about your journey as a dancer to you know preparation for the song. How did you do it?
So I think most of y'all will not know this, but I have something in common with Shahid sir as well. I was also an instructor with Shamak Davar for around 7 to 8 years, and I have danced with his company. I've been a background dancer. I have done my bit, and Vijay sir was also with me while I was growing up at Shamak Davar. So he choreographing this song is actually something which is just it baffles me, you know, because मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था, you know, that we'll get to perform this song with Vijay choreographing the old hook step, and yeah, so as a dancer, it's a dream come true, and I hope I've done justice to Shahid sir and the song and everyone else. Yeah, thank you.
Hello. Here, straight, center.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Hi, Manjari. This is Manjari. Everyone, please say hi to her.
Hi everyone, I'm Manjari from Pop Diaries. Congratulations on the fabulous teaser. I'm very excited. So my question is actually to Rohit.
Yes.
So we've seen you on the big screens since a very very young age, like I think 16.
16. Yes.
It's been 10 years now. And
right offer. What was your first reaction when you were offered Ishq Wish Rebound? Because of course it comes with a recall value as well.
Thank you. Yes, of course it's taken me a really long time. But like ma'am, you said, you know, like the rom-coms are missing from our industry. And I feel when I auditioned for the film and Ramesh ji said, ki, you know, हमें तुम चाहिए and so मैं बहुत ही खुश था because I really am a big lover of the romantic Hindi cinema. हम बड़े हुए हैं, हम 90s के बच्चे हैं, so हम रोमांस ही देख के बड़े हुए हैं, and to do a film like this, it is a dream come true, and I hope we can make more of these because I feel we need that lighter tension, we need song and dance, and we need a lot of love in today's world. So yeah, thank you Nayan, and thank you Ramesh ji, Jaya, Nipun sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
And one question to all of you, because the language of love has changed so much in the last few years. There are people who will not understand situations. I couldn't even say it. Situationships, because I don't understand it. Which kind of love do you relate to the most? Do you think that you are that cusp generation where you are stuck between the old school romance and the Tinder romance, where there is a lot of rebound relationships and situationships this time?
You want to start?
Oh, I believe in the old school love. I love it. I want monogamous relationships, and I only and only believe in that. I understand, by the virtue of the day and age that we're living in, everyone around you wants new tags, this polyamorous relationships and situationships and all of that jazz. I hear them and I respect it, but I don't want it for myself. I want old school love.
I'm an out and out traditionalist. I like it the traditional way. I just feel like that's probably the time and age where we were growing up. And like you said, we're kind of stuck in these two universes, trying to figure out what the hell a situationship is and being a part of one as well. So I think in my heart I'm a traditionalist, but got to get out there and understand what a situationship is, right?
I love how everyone is fumbling on that word.
Situationship.
Yeah, that word, it's a no-go for me. So I would say even I'm a traditionalist, but what I do agree with from this, maybe it's something new, that you take your time and get into a relationship, you get to know the person, you set your boundaries, all of that talk, that I'm down with. So maybe it's like a new form of traditionalist.
Yeah, I am an ashik, Like, I am old school. I'm just very old school. So, yeah, like Rohit said, we need to move ahead and we need to understand these things also. But I'm an ashik.
Hello. Yeah, Ramesh ji, this side. Rajiv here. This side on your right. On your right. You are the one common point between these two movies because you are the producer.
तू भी तो सवाल पूछे
You have selected probably what was your most youthful movie at that time. So how did you look at love then, and how do you look at love and teenage?
Wow.
अरे
Love this question.
विनोद
देखो उस वक्त भी यंगस्टर्स का प्रॉब्लम था हमेशा और आज भी है, तो हमेशा रहता है। पर आज एक अच्छी बात यह है, अगर ठीक है, एक अच्छी जो आज के यूथ की बात यह है, अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि अगर आपकी पटती है, आपका प्यार है, समझो कभी कैसा होता है कि 1 साल 2 साल चल रहा फिर नहीं चल रहा है, कुछ झगड़े हो रहे हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, कुछ रिलेशनशिप नहीं हो रहा है, तो दे ब्रेकअप इजीली, जो पहले नहीं होता था। तो वो एक आई थिंक वो अच्छी बात भी है। दे फील हैप्पी, दे बोथ इंडिविजुअल्स आर हैप्पी, पीपल आर हैप्पी। आई थिंक उससे दोनों चीज़ें सही है, उसको कोई ये नहीं बोल सकता कि उस वक्त सही था या आज गलत है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
विनोद का भी ब्रेकअप हो गया।
What made you sign Nipun for the direction? At that time it was Ken, he was in a different.
निपुण ने 2-3 मराठी पिक्चरें बनाई थी और निपुण को नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला था और उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन भी है स्क्रिप्ट में। जब हमने उसको स्क्रिप्ट पिच की तो ही लाइक्ड इट, लव्ड इट इमेंसली एंड ही आल्सो ब्रॉट इन हिज इनपुट आल्सो इन इट। तो वो लगा कि हाँ ये सही डायरेक्टर है, ये पिक्चर को सही बनाएगा।
Okay, my third and last question is for Pashmina. Pashmina, I met everybody in your family. I'm not so old, but I met your grandmother also.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Your father's mother.
Yes.
And how do you look up, extending the question which was formally asked, how do you look up to this, living up to your, especially your cousin's legacy and your father's legacy? Because, for example, what song of your father you would like to do a similar recreation and dance in?
Wow. That, Thank you for the question. It's finally really nice to meet you as well. To answer my father's song, I would love to dance on Jab Chhaya Mera Jadoo. That's my favorite song by him. And it's got the grooves and the oomph. So I wish one day maybe. And while I said I do feel a lot of pressure, I'm also surrounded by artists, and they're they give that the most importance. So when you give the art the importance, everything else is smaller. The pressure to live up to them or something, you create what you have to create. And you create that with love and care and emotion, and that will be valued. So I try to think like that.
Hi guys.
Okay, we'll take 2 more questions.
Hi guys, this is Nawaz.
And it's really unreal. और ये मेरा पहला गाना है सोनू जी के साथ. So I'm super excited about that.
Amazing.
And of course, like my favorite, I love working with Rochak and Gurpreet. We like worked a lot together, and Mellow, of course, is not at all mellow. So.
So ठीक है, हम भी काय को रुकें, तूफान से पहले की शांति बहुत हो गई. हो जाए. It's over to you guys.